Here's a 2006 Ford Saleen Mustang Coupe. Just in it, unique special and classics. As you can see from the front of this one, it is number 1091 in the sequential number of Saleens made that year. This particular car has had a carbon fiber hood added to it, as you can also see. This is a supercharged version of it, so it's putting out 435 horse with the 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood and the twin screw supercharger. This car does have the chrome wheel upgrade, as well as the high intensity headlamps. As you can see, the black paint is still in nice shape. The car is a little over 23,000 miles on it. This car, when it was new from Saleen, would have had a window sticker of approximately 58,000, 58,500, somewhere right in there. If you'd like to see a picture of that and kind of the options and everything on this car, it's with our still pictures. You can see the still pictures of the car, the underside, the wheels, the interior, engine bay. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. So there's also a picture of, like I said, the window sticker. I think it was 58,500 and some odd dollars. Did have the wheel upgrade, does have the high intensity headlamps. The other thing about this one, makes it a little bit rare and you don't see a lot of them. If you're looking for a Saleen with an automatic, here it is. This is one of the few that I have ever been around, and I've been around a lot of these cars. So it does have the automatic transmission in it. Just do not see that in the Saleens a lot, usually manual. So if you're looking for an automatic, definitely take a little closer look at this car. Also has a power seat on the passenger side, which you don't see a whole lot. You can see the interior. Also nice shape with the Saleen embroidery, special headrests. Other thing that's kind of cool about this is the man himself, Steve Saleen, has signed the carbon fiber hood and also the dash in this car. Over on the passenger side. Let's hop in here, we'll fire this one up. Excellent sounding car. Again, you can check out any of the still pictures, engine bay, what have you. Any of those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the miles, 23,000. Oh, sorry about that. 23,090. As you can see, there's no check engine lights or anything like that on. Just the fact that I don't have my seatbelt warning indicator. Aftermarket gauges included with the supercharger package. Steve's signature on the dash, and then this one also has a Pioneer, I believe it is, a Pioneer aftermarket stereo. This one put it on the screen. Here's your automatic transmission. Nothing fancy. Instead of the push button, it's just pull this lever and then shift. Nothing out of the ordinary. Let's go ahead and get out so you can hear this baby rumble. Center dump exhaust, which really makes the rear end of these cars look good. That big wing, the extended fascia. Very nice sounding car. And I have the AC on the climate control. Obviously, you can hear the compressor kicking off and on. So, you know the compressor works on the AC. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to inquire about this beautiful 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe. If you'd like to check out those still pictures, underside, engine, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com.